Today, we're diving into the world of electric scooters with a model specifically designed for short trips, the Ninebot KickScooter D18E. Part of Ninebot's D series, this scooter focuses on simplicity, practicality, and a particularly attractive price, starting at €359. In this video, we will explore together its strengths, weaknesses, and characteristics in detail. Stay tuned until the end to see if it meets your needs. The link in the description provides more information. The Ninebot D18E features a sleek design, with red and black accents. It has a robust construction and fine finishes. The wide deck, 45 by 17 centimeters, ensures stability and comfort. Built with sturdy materials similar to those used in Xiaomi models, it showcases a robust construction with carefully crafted finishes. The large 45 by 17 centimeters deck guarantees good stability and optimal comfort of use, even for users with wider feet or varied positions on the platform. The steering column, although fixed, is designed to suit heights ranging from 1m60 to 1m90, offering a comfortable compromise for the majority of users. On the folding side, the double locking mechanism allows it to be folded quickly and easily. However, even when folded, its weight of 14.8 kilograms is still a significant drawback for getting around on public transport or for long distances by hand. The 10-inch inflatable wheels are a major advantage for this scooter. They effectively absorb road irregularities, making the ride smoother and more enjoyable. However, they do require regular maintenance to avoid flat tires, which can be an added hassle. The D18E is equipped with a 250W motor, capable of reaching a maximum speed of 25 km per hour, thus complying with French regulations. This speed limit suffices for urban use. The motor is stable but may feel weak to some. Powered by a 183Wh battery, it claims 18 km range, about 14 km for users over 143 pounds. Its power is provided by a 183Wh battery, which promises an announced range of 18 km. However, in real-world conditions, this range is often reduced to about 14 km, especially for users weighing around 143 pounds or more. Performance is influenced by factors like terrain, temperature, and riding style. Lighter riders or those on flat surfaces can achieve slightly longer distances, but still less than models with better range. The scooter uses a rear drum brake and front ABS brake, providing a stopping distance of 13 to 16 feet, sufficient for urban use. The drum brake is cost-effective and durable for entry-level models. This setup provides a stopping distance of 13 to 16 feet. The drum brake is a smart choice for entry-level models. Drum brakes are a good choice for an entry-level model because they reduce costs while offering superior durability to a poorly adjusted disc brake. However, this type of brake might lack the bite compared to more advanced systems. To top it all off, the D18E comes with front and rear LED lights as well as reflectors. These elements ensure good visibility for both the user and other road users. The lighting is enough to be seen in low light conditions or during nighttime rides. Although the power of the front light doesn't optimally illuminate a dark road, these safety features are enhanced by strategically placed reflectors on the scooter, further increasing its visibility for maximum safety. The Ninebot D18E is designed for beginners. Its 250W motor provides gradual but slow acceleration. The inflatable tires improve handling. It struggles on inclines over 10%. The folding system is handy. However, they show their limits on inclines steeper than 10%, where the motor struggles to keep up. The folding system is a practical feature even if the scooter remains bulky and relatively heavy when folded. It's great for short trips on foot, but it becomes more cumbersome for regular commutes on public transport. The Ninebot mobile app lets you monitor battery, set regenerative braking, and track rides. Compared to Xiaomi Mi Electric Scooter Essential, Ninebot D18E stands out with large 10-inch wheels, improving comfort and stability. Compared to competitors like the Xiaomi Mi Electric Scooter Essential, the Ninebot D18E stands out with its large 10-inch wheels, which significantly enhance comfort and riding stability. However, its limited range and less powerful motor put it behind models like the Ninebot D28E or D38E, which offer much better performance for a slightly higher price. For users looking for a scooter suited for longer trips or more demanding conditions, these higher-end versions are a smarter alternative. The Ninebot KickScooter D18E is an affordable electric scooter that's perfect for short urban trips. Its attractive design, stability, and comfort make it an interesting choice for beginners or for short-distance trips such as the famous last mile. However, its reduced autonomy and limited engine could disappoint users with more demanding needs. If this scooter has caught your interest, be sure to check the link in the description to find out more details or to order one. Every click and purchase through that link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video if you enjoyed it, and of course, subscribe as usual so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Ciao ciao.